Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. If you're also working on a construction project like us, then I highly encourage you to get one of these pinless wood moisture meters from Bessimeter, because I can't tell you how important it is to make sure that your wood is nice and dry before you install drywall. You guys, I immediately panicked when I walked in my house after a bad rainstorm and every inch of our house was drenched from top to bottom. So that's why I decided to go with this DS500 model from Bessimeter, because it has this smooth sensor plate on the back that sends electromagnetic waves into the wood to give you an accurate moisture level reading. So it takes a 9-volt battery, and all you do is just turn it on and place it on the object that you want to check the moisture level on. And boom, you see an instant reading on the LCD display. So according to my research, a normal range typically falls between 5 to 12% for most building materials, or 10 to 15% for framing walls. So the reason you want to make sure your framing walls are nice and dry before you put up that drywall is so it doesn't cause any mold growth or warping in the future. And this little tool is not just great for framing, but you can also use this on your wood flooring, or if you're building furniture or cabinets. I even took it in my bathroom after a long hot shower just to see what the reading was like on our drywall. You can press the species button to switch between softwood and hardwood measurements. And lastly, I love that it comes with a hard shell carrying case to keep it all protected. This is literally a no-brainer if you want to prevent future problems in your brand new home, but that's just my point of view.